Okay, so we are now looking at converting percentage to decimal, or you can say we are converting percentage to fraction. So we can start with the two examples. So one is 140% and I'm asking to convert to decimal, and another one probably you can start with 0.15. we have percentage and that convert to decimal. So 140% is basically, we know that 140 out of 100. So if you just write 140 out of 100, you can see this is the fractional form. So it's pretty easy. What you need to do, what you have to do now, you have to simplify it, and you can easily divide by 10, and making it 14 over 10. If you divide by 2 is 7 over 5, right? And you can just write down in the mixed numeral, which is 2 over 5. So what I'm doing here, I'm dividing by 2, 7 over 5, then I'm dividing 7 by 5 as a long division. So 5 times 1 is 5, 2 left, 2 over 5. Now if you look at the before going second example, we can again convert 140% to so this is the one that converting to fraction, and then we are converting this percentage to decimal. If you convert the decimal, it's basically 140. Again I can write down like that, 140 out of 100, so I can write in a fractional form. But from here you can easily see, when you're dividing by 100, the decimal moves towards the left by 2 decimal places, because you are dividing by 100, which we have 20. So it means 1.40, or we can write down 1.4. So this is the decimal form of that 140%. Now if we start doing the second example, we have 0.15%. Again we can write down easily in the fractional form, which is 0.15, and percentage means out of 100. Now in order to eliminate the decimal, what we can do, we can just multiply with the 100 in in the numerator, and then 100 in the denominator. Okay, so what we are doing now, we are just getting 15 on the top, and in the bottom we have 100 times 100. I'm just leaving like that because we have to simplify anyway. So if you now simplify it, 5 can go for 3 times. 3 times 5 is 15. So 15 you can divide by 5, and 100 you can divide by 5. 5 times 20 is 100. And then you can see it is 3 over 2000. So 3 over 2000 is the fractional form. Now if I do this one, 0.15% and asking for decimal, basically 0.15 again by 100. So what I am always doing, I am moving the decimal again 2 decimal places, because there are 2 zeros. So it would be empty cap would be filled with a 0. So there would be 0015. So it means 0 point. Okay. So 0.0015 would be the decimal form of 0.15%. So when we have a percentage converting to decimal, it's just like a dividing by 100. Okay, when we have a percentage, writing the fraction again is dividing by 100 and simplifying it, and make sure you are writing in the simplest form of the fraction.